My brother doesn't have. My father sort of, because of my grandma thing, you know. And my mom sort of, whoever, we go to temple just for fun.
Right. Wait, let me ask you this. So if somebody called you up from America and said, what religion is your family? Catholic, Buddhist, or none? What would you say?
None.
Okay.
Well, I guess you follow what people follow. But you keep that spirit that you rather want to believe than you are, what's that word?
Atheist.
Atheist, yes.
Yeah.
We are not, I don't think I'm atheist. But I would rather believe some legend or some ritual. I would follow, respect that culture, that religion.
You or Taiwanese people?
I think most Taiwanese people, we can go to the Catholic church and we can do that thing.
It's no big deal.
No big deal. Why not?
Right.
But you know,